Yo, so I decided to make a vlog for today. Me and my friends are going to the city. We're going to watch Doctor Stone 2, but I can't really film inside the cinema because that's not. I'm going to be banned in the cinema if I film. So I decided to make a vlog because I bought a new cam and I'm just charging right now, and I want to test it in my videos. So I hope this should be a great start on the new cam. So I'll just show you. I bought it for like 5.5 and I hope it turns well. I'm excited later. So me and my bro got some taho. What's up, bro? Little bro Nico Robin. Cheers, 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 cheers. Please don't. Sheesh. Damn.
No, that's gay.
Boy, sali ka.
That's gayness, man.
The gayness culture. So we arrived right now and we're going to find our friends inside the building. That's the building, SM City. We're going to watch the movie right there, the cinema. So those are my friends, Stephen and Clarence. We're just going here. Nice one.
Bubble up and cut right through. Just someone I believe in. You heat me like a filament. Anytime you're in the room, you burn me and it's smoking. I just wanted you to watch me dissolve slowly in a groove of your love. Can't find an exit. I wander in a maze alone. If I find you, will you shock me? Left and right. Pretty sure that I've been here before, and it isn't what I wanted. I just wanted you to watch me dissolve slowly in a groove of your love. But I don't even know how the chemistry works when you're poolside, kicking in the dirt, kicking in the sand, stirring up trouble.
Bro,
Am I only elaborate? Someone you can test things on. This isn't what I signed up for. I just
Can I get higher? So I'm with Daniel and Janelle right now. We're trying to find the supermarket and Dunkin' Donuts. I prefer donuts in the cinema, so I'm just going to buy some little ones, the orange ones. So we're just going to find it. You look at that, bad boy. You look at that. I'm going to buy some Dunkins. So we just finished the movie, Doctor Strange. It was really fun and no spoilers. So it's just 4 p.m. and we're just trying to go around the mall. So yeah, we're just walking.
Stirring up trouble. I just wanted you to watch me dissolve slowly in a groove of your love. But I don't even know how the chemistry works when no bullseye kicking in the dirt, kicking in the sand, stirring up trouble. Woo! I wanted you to watch me dissolve.